San Francisco real estate is getting absolutely hammered. It's probably one of the worst places to buy a home. And not to mention, the city refuses to lower property tax because property prices are down. Property taxes should be going down as well. But since the city is so starved for money, they're refusing to drop property prices and property taxes. And guess what's happening? We're seeing a sea of foreclosures. Some of these foreclosures are very sad. So check out on Twitter, somebody posted a foreclosed unit. It's a 1-bed, 1-bath, 661 square feet. And it's listed for about $500,000, 500 G's. It's now currently foreclosed. And look at the prices, right? This person bought it essentially at the very top. Back in 2019, real estate was so expensive. Bought it at $640,000, nearly $1,000 per square feet. And they try to list it for 500 grand, nobody wants it. And that is crazy. Imagine listing your unit for 3 whole years, nobody wants it. And why is there a condo foreclosure? Well, guess what? Property tax for this unit is enormous, and the HOA is $885 a month. What's the point of even buying? Why not just rent at that point? I mean, with the utilities and the property tax, the HOA, the home insurance, you're probably paying close to 2 G's every single month after you paid off this unit. And this person probably tried to sell it to someone else, but nobody wants it. I can't imagine HOA being almost $1,000 for this type of unit. And this unit isn't even that great either. It is decent enough where it's right next to like the ocean beach in San Francisco. So I guess that's one of the pluses about it. But the building itself is already kind of old, and you're really, really far away from downtown and the other, condos and the other skyscrapers in the office area. Sure, you're right next to some of the parks, but location-wise, it's not great, right? You're super far away from downtown and some of the tech companies. You're really far away from some of the healthcare industries as well in San Francisco. This is like the edge of San Francisco, which nobody really wants. And this person probably bought it for leisure, but guess what? San Francisco has really deteriorated. We're seeing record low prices in San Francisco real estate. We're seeing real estate prices just dropping like a rock, and nobody wants to buy here. And guess what? It's not just those cheaper units, but very expensive unsold units in San Francisco in 2023, with the most recent sale being a $20 million house, but they had to sell it for 50% off. So they finally found a buyer for $10 million. And that's sad. And look at this. You have this house here, $20 million. Nobody wants it. 22 million. Nobody wants it. Look at this enormous mansion listed for $32 million. At first it was listed for 39. Now it's 32. I don't think anyone's going to buy it. Okay. Yes, it looks incredible. Absolutely beautiful in downtown San Francisco. Now, a townhouse of this caliber in the middle of Manhattan will probably go for $70-80 million. And there's probably going to be somebody who's going to buy it. Houses like these in Singapore, don't even say a word, and there's going to be like Chinese billionaire that buys it. But in San Francisco, there's not a single foreign investor or buyer who wants a unit of this size anymore. It used to be one of the hottest places. Now nobody wants it. And look at this one, right? $36 million unit, nobody wants it. In fact, any units over $2-3 million are going to have an extremely hard time to sell in San Francisco. All the rich people and the ultra wealthy, there's so many better places to buy. If you're in America, some of the hottest places to buy go to like Miami, Vegas, Portugal. These are all going to be very hot places for wealthy individuals. And super rich individuals are buying a lot of properties in UAE, in Australia, and also Monaco. So why would you spend $30 million in a place where there's literally just open air drug markets? And look at this. It's not just those residential units, but even in downtown Los Angeles, the craziest deal of a year is going to be the AON Center. If you guys live in Los Angeles or California in general, you probably have seen this building. It's iconic, and it sold for a measly $147 million at $133 per square foot, which is literally dirt cheap. Now, the original owners bought this 10 years ago for $250 million, and I'm pretty sure $1 million back 10 years ago is worth so much more than now. Nowadays, with this money printing stuff and all this inflation, $1 million is no longer worth as valuable as that 10 years ago. And imagine you bought this building 10 years ago and you still have to sell it for 50% off. That sucks. And this is a big turnoff for California real estate and many big cities in the U.S., especially the coastal ones. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment below, and before you leave, check out the private Discord server, guys. Patreon link below for some amazing trades. We trade live on a daily basis every single day. 7-day free trial, $20 a month. Patreon link below. Our trader is actually pretty good. We even have tutorial videos to help you, and we trade live every single day. Check us out.